Empowering the skies, Drone Express and AeroX forge a future of sustainable drone delivery. In a significant move for the burgeoning drone delivery industry, Drone Express has officially become a member of AeroX, a North Carolina-based aerospace association, as announced in a joint press release. Drone Express plans to expand drone delivery services in the region. AeroX, a nonprofit organization, has been at the forefront of fostering a national model for the advanced air mobility ecosystem, particularly in North Carolina's Piedmont region. Its notable project, Atlas, focuses on developing the nation's first urban unmanned aircraft systems, UAS, traffic management system to facilitate beyond visual line of sight, BVLOS, operations. This initiative is crucial for the seamless integration of unmanned aircraft into the national airspace, ensuring both safety and efficiency. Basil Yap, president of AeroX, expressed excitement about the collaboration, stating, "We are thrilled to welcome Drone Express to AeroX, and to the region." As an industry leader, Drone Express brings a commitment to safety and a wealth of experience in drone delivery operations, which are critical to the success and reliability of Project Atlas. Drone Express's membership in AeroX represents a strategic alignment with its vision of utilizing drones to enhance logistics efficiency, sustainability, and accessibility. This collaboration offers Drone Express unique opportunities for knowledge exchange, collaboration, and industry advocacy, propelling forward its mission to redefine the delivery landscape. Our participation in AeroX demonstrates Drone Express's commitment not only to advancing technology but also to maintaining the highest regulatory standards. Through our collaboration with AeroX, we will ensure that our operations meet the highest degree of safety and serve as a model for the industry, shared Russell Klein, Chief Regulatory Officer at Drone Express. Moreover, Drone Express is expanding its operations to Winston-Salem, North Carolina. With this expansion, the company aims to leverage advanced drone technology and strategic partnerships to offer seamless, reliable, and eco-friendly delivery services. This initiative marks a step forward in supporting local economies, enhancing accessibility, and reducing the carbon footprint through sustainable logistics solutions. Drone Express's entry into Winston-Salem is a testament to its commitment to providing businesses and consumers with a more efficient, safe, and cost-effective delivery option. As Drone Express joins forces with AeroX, both entities look forward to shaping the future of aerospace innovation and transforming the landscape of last-mile delivery in North Carolina and beyond.